Want to make music but you're not a music creator? Then watch this video for more information. Welcome to the show, everybody. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be looking at Strofe, a AI music generator. So this allows you to generate your own music based on mood, either spooky, sad, chill, happy, or spirited. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select spirited, and the music style will be set to audio or customized, and you can just go with whatever you want and create. So it automatically creates music using its server, and it says the unique track will be ready in seconds. So we're going to get started and see what this process looks like. So put up a cup of coffee if you are here for a bit. There we go. It loads the track. So what you do then is you play the track just to preview what it sounds like here. You can also rename it up here, and then it says here custom track. And then we're just going to press enter for that, and then we're going to listen to how it sounds.
Yep, what do you need?
As you can hear, that was AI generated music, and it uses various instruments onto the left side here. You can pause it and you can hear it whenever you like, and it shows you a timeline on what to do here. So there are various controls here where you can mute the track so that it mutes the instrument playing, and then you can also unmute it so that the instrument can play again. And you can just go down here, and then there's looping options, and then you can also change the instruments by going in. And I'm just going to pause that for a second. We're just going to go and change the instrument. You can go keys, winds, brass. So we're going to change that to church organ. And then you can also select your winds here, whatever you like, ocarina. But we're just going to do church organ for now. And you can also select various keys and then press select. And then it'll regenerate the notes played into the style of a church organ. So we're going to listen. So we're going to listen to what it sounds like right now. So that is how a church organ sounds in that. So you can select various keys, winds, brass, strings, bass, guitar, sound effects, and percussion. We're just going to select for SFX here, sound effects, unicorn. So we're going to hear how that sounds, and then it's going to regenerate there. We're going to let that regenerate a bit, and then once it's done regenerating, Doctor Who reference, we are going to go up and play it, and hopefully you will be able to hear what a unicorn sounds like. I don't know what a unicorn sounds like. Do you know what a unicorn sounds like? I heard it's magical. So that was pretty magical. I didn't think unicorns sounded like that, but they did. And then you can also set the loop to loop at least 2 times. You can turn off the loop or you can turn on the loop, and then you can do the same thing here. And you can set the number of times it loops. And when you are done, oh, get out of here. We're going to go and you can download and you can re-roll the track. And then you can also create another song. So you can download the track, you just have to register for an account. So to do that, you have to register for an account and you can share your track with others. Well, we go maybe later. But yeah, you can customize your instruments here, your tracks, and you can also adjust the volume on each of the notes here. And then you can also adjust the positioning of each instrument, and then it just plays, and you can also adjust how everything goes here. So you can also lower the volume by clicking on the white line, slide it down so that it sounds better here. And then once you lower the volume to a sufficient level, you can customize how it works for you. And then you can just go solo where it solos that instrument and such and such. So then you can just mute that track, or you can change the tracks. You can also add instruments like accompaniments, bass lines, drums, tempo, and then various others, secondary melody, alto, and then you can just select, we'll select the bass line for now, then it goes down to bass, and then we'll just select, I don't know, slap bass, and then it'll insert a slap bass into your timeline here, and then it will allow you to get a bass line. So that's what what it sounds like there. So it's pretty good. And then when you are all finished, you can just go and customize the track name however you like. And then you would sign up for an account. You can sign in through Facebook, Google, or Discord. And then you can sign up through name and email as well. And then once you register for the process, it'll ask you to authenticate. And then you're ready to start creating your own music through artificial intelligence. And it keeps a track of everything saved there. So you can purchase your songs to use, or you can get registered for a free account to download it, but are premium features as well. So you can sign up for a free account and download and save your creations. You can go maybe later. But for premium accounts, you can purchase it yourself. So we already selected Spirited. Let's select Spooky. Let's go and make a spooky track. So we can customize it. We'll select Lo-Fi because that's spooky. And then you can also press here Rhythm, adjust the tempo and the swing. And then you can also select an instrument pack here. And then once you select the appropriate instrument pack, just go to Create. And then it'll go through the grapevine of creating a new song for you through the art of AI. It is amazing, but we can't rely on it too much because John Connor's watching us. So anyways, there is the new spooky track here. We are just... That's a pretty spooky track. So have a great day, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Bye.